This was my talk with Canon Malaysia on creating share-worthy vlogs with camera moves using PTCs and B-rolls. I shared some features of Canon mirrorless cameras such as the IAF. She's moving around and moving around very fast. Now the Canon color science, I don't know what they put inside lah. It's a sejenis ramuan yang diorang letak kat dalam where it can make the colors very flattering. Vlogging is about sharing your experiences and doing the things that you love. The EOS R50 is so small, so light. It allows you to spend more time with your family. Erin is joining us as our model for a live demo session. Erin has researched the bike. She has written her script. In 3, 2, 1, action! In this scene, we are shooting Erin's opening PTC, also known as piece to camera.
Hey guys, it's Erin here and let me show you the Harley-Davidson Iron 883. This bike has an amazing legacy. The Iron 883 is comfortable to ride and it's also a good bike for beginners. The Iron 883 has a fine-tuned suspension, a tuck-and-roll seat, black cast aluminium wheels with machine highlights.
The model, the talent, the vlogger is always very sharp one. So after that, we will shoot our B-rolls to enhance or supplement our content. So what I want to do is this, track from here and boom up, getting all the interesting parts of the bike and tracking to the brand. Taking care to make your shots dynamic and cinematic. I didn't have to pull focus because the camera, I can trust the camera to nail the focusing for me. So you don't have to worry if your camera didn't focus on your desired subject. Mirrorless cameras are all touchscreen. Just touch the screen and your camera will do the rest. With the gimbal, you should be able to get steady shots. Some more, you got Canon's stabilization system inside here, you know. The lens combined with the body, it's sure to get you steady shots. What else? Let the camera do the job. Now we will complete Erin's closing PTC.
Wow, the Harley-Davidson Iron 883 sure was impressive. You get everything you need and nothing you don't. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. It's Erin here and I'll see you in the next episode.
Keep in mind that everything is difficult when you first start. Take the effort. After that, it will only become smoother. Then, it will depend on you how much you want to level up. Remember, EOS R50 for beginners, EOS R6 Mark II for professionals. For me, I prefer the EOS R5, which is this camera. Okay, so anything, I'll be around. Let me know if you want any questions answered. It's Baron here together with Erin. Thanks for joining us with Canon Malaysia.